In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror glass on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Take some masking tape and you want to tape up the mirror so if it does break, the glass does not go all over the place. Should be good. And push the mirror forward at the base, just push it down. And I'm going to take a pick, just get in from the top side, and I'm going to pop it off. I'll show you what I'm getting underneath once I pop it off. There we go. What you want to do is get in behind these little teeth, and just pry outwards. So get under there and just pop it out, and the whole glass should come off. Take the new mirror, you want to line it up. Take a rag, just in the center, just push forcefully till it locks in place. Never push from the outside, you're going to crack the glass. So just push it from the center. And that's good, that's all the way down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.